Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode. Today we're going to be going on a road trip. I'm going to be showing you what Poppy is going to be starting her day with, as well as what we're packing to take on the road to get there. It's about a 6 or so hour journey, so you can follow us along the way. Hi everyone, I'm Celina and this is my channel Healthy Bub Grub. On my channel Healthy Bub Grub, I'll be showing you how to prepare healthy and nutritious food for your baby from when they first start solids right through to family meals. I'll also be including episodes on a day in the life of to show you what my little girl typically eats in a day. If you like today's video, please make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up to date with what I'm posting on a weekly basis. If you have any questions about today's episode or any feedback, please make sure that you leave a comment to let me know. So I've just done a bit of a overnight oats and chia pudding for Poppy's breakfast, just because it's something that's nice and simple and ready to go. So that's it there. I've just mixed a bit of yogurt, cow's milk, oats, chia seeds and some mashed banana. So I'll just give that to her now. Keep an eye out in upcoming episodes that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be featuring an episode that is all about overnight oats and chia pudding. So keep an eye out for some ideas on different flavours and how you can do that.
Mama.
Yeah, Bubba. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it yum?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're back on the road after a little stop along the way. We had a very windy first part of our journey and the overnight oats that Poppy had for breakfast came back up. So I'll give you the hot tip. Give your child toast for breakfast if you're going on a windy road. I think we'll stick to solid snacks along the way because we don't want anything else coming back up. Okay, so we've just stopped for a little break. It's about mid-morning. Just giving Poppy a little snack now. She's having yummy. Some mini muffins, the apple and carrot ones. You can check the link if you want to find out how you can make these ones. They're great to take on a trip, and I'm hoping because they're solid, they're not going to be coming back up again. You want some more? Good girl. Alright, so we'll stop here quickly, have a snack, and then we'll be back on the road. So I'll see you again for lunch. So it's just been brought to my attention that I'm couples dressing with Poppy today. Didn't even realise, but after the change of clothes, after being sick in the car, turns out now we're matching. Oh, good girl. Would you like a drink? Hey everyone, so we've stopped off for lunch now. We've got Poppy a nice healthy lunch of some salmon and vegetables that I cooked up, and we had that for dinner last night, so she'll just have that cold for lunch now. And we've got a beautiful spot to sit and eat here, so looking forward to a nice break.
No.
If you want to check out how you can make a super simple lunch like this, be sure to hit the link to see my video on salmon and veggies. We're back on the road again after our lunch stop. It was nice to get out and stretch our legs, and it was a beautiful spot to sit under the tree there. Poppy ate all of her lunch, which was good, and now we've got about 2 hours ahead of us until we get to our destination, so I'm hoping that she has a little bit of a snooze in the car before we get there, and then when we arrive she'll have an afternoon snack, and I'll be pouring myself a wine. Bit tired, long drive, didn't get much sleep in the car, Miss Poppy, so she's very tired too. She's just having her afternoon snack now, which is a berry milkshake that I made up for her this morning, and we took that on the road. And if you want to find out how to make those, have a look at the episode on milkshakes that I did. But this will be it now. I think it's going to be an early night, so we'll say goodbye. So I hope that you've enjoyed following us on our road trip. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Thanks heaps for watching.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.